Welcome to Tesla Navigation. This tutorial will guide beginners through the basics of using Tesla's integrated navigation system. Tesla's navigation system is displayed on the central touchscreen, offering real-time maps, routing, and navigation tips optimized for electric vehicles. It integrates seamlessly with autopilot and full self-driving FSD features, focusing on efficient routes and supercharger locations. Let's get started. To access Tesla Navigation, you have two main options, using the touchscreen or voice commands. Tap the Navigate icon on your Tesla's touchscreen to begin. The icon is typically located in the main menu area of the central display. Alternatively, use voice commands for hands-free operation. Press the voice button on your steering wheel, then say Navigate to, followed by your destination. Once navigation is active, you can enter a specific address or search for points of interest, like restaurants or stores. The system provides suggestions as you type. After entering your destination, the map displays your current location as a blue dot and shows the route to your destination with a highlighted path. You can zoom and pan the map as needed. Tesla Navigation includes specialized modes to enhance your driving experience. Trip Planner allows you to pre-plan journeys with multiple stops, automatically including charging breaks at superchargers to ensure you never run out of battery. Autopilot Routes mode suggests paths specifically optimized for semi-autonomous driving. When using autopilot or full self-driving features, this mode provides routes with smoother lane changes and turn guidance to maximize the system's effectiveness. Select the navigation mode that best fits your journey type and driving preferences for the most efficient and smooth experience. Tesla Navigation seamlessly integrates with various vehicle systems to enhance your driving experience. This integration optimizes energy use, improves safety, and provides hands-free assistance. One key integration is with climate control. The navigation system syncs to pre-cool the cabin before reaching your destination, optimizing energy efficiency and battery range. For example, if you're heading to a cooler area, the system activates cooling in advance. Navigation also provides real-time alerts for speed limits, hazards, and road conditions. As you drive, the system monitors your surroundings and displays warnings on the touchscreen to keep you informed and safe. When full self-driving is enabled, navigation offers lane-specific guidance, providing turn-by-turn instructions that help with hands-free driving. The system uses advanced AI to anticipate lane changes and provide precise directions for a smoother, autonomous experience. Tesla Navigation leverages AI and machine learning for adaptive routing. The neural net routing feature uses machine learning to predict traffic patterns and optimize routes for energy efficiency. The system dynamically reroutes based on real-time data, reducing battery drain by up to 15% according to Tesla's testing. These improvements mean more accurate ETA predictions than in previous years, with 20% better accuracy compared to 2023 baselines. Overall, these AI-powered features provide real-time updates that enhance both efficiency and safety for Tesla drivers. A key feature of Tesla Navigation is its seamless integration with the supercharger network. The system automatically includes supercharger stops along your route when needed, estimating charging times. This helps ensure you never run out of battery on long trips. For example, if your route requires a charge, the navigation will insert a supercharger stop. Let's see how this works on the Tesla touchscreen. Additionally, Tesla is increasingly focusing on green routing, which prioritizes low-emission paths and avoids high-pollution areas when possible. This feature uses AI to choose routes that minimize environmental impact. For instance, green routing might choose a slightly longer path through cleaner air zones to reduce emissions, potentially saving energy in the process. These features make Tesla Navigation not just efficient, but also environmentally conscious, integrating seamlessly with the EV ecosystem. Here are some practical tips to get the most out of Tesla Navigation. First, remember to enable trip data in your settings to track your driving efficiency after each trip. This feature provides detailed metrics on energy usage, time traveled, and overall performance, helping you optimize future journeys. Looking ahead, Tesla navigation is evolving with future trends, including deeper integration with third-party apps like Waze for live traffic data, which will improve routing accuracy. Advancements in full urban, full self-driving navigation will enable smoother, hands-free driving in city environments. Tesla aims for complete autonomous planning and execution of trips, where the vehicle handles everything from route selection to arrival. In conclusion, Tesla navigation enhances the driving experience with its intuitive interface and EV-centric features that prioritize efficiency and safety. Whether you're planning a short trip or a cross-country journey, these tools make navigation smarter and more enjoyable. Enjoy your journey.